Are you done eating? Huh? Are you hungry? You want some more vegetables? You want some more water? Huh? You gotta tell him what you've been doing. Say, I've been rolling over and I've been getting into everything. I'm all over the place, but still going backwards. Yeah, tell me you're still going backwards. And still doing the old man face. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Do you want some vegetables? No? You want some chicken? Oh, God bless you. God bless. God bless. Do you want some chicken? Huh? You want a nap? You want to go sleep? My goodness. Do you want some more vegetables? Oh, he's sleepy. Say, I've been busy today. I've been playing all over the place. Some water? Nope. You want some more bread? Can you show him how you feed yourself? Here. Can you pick it up? Can you pick it up? Oh, he's tired. Can you pick up your bread? Pick up your bread. Say, watch me feed myself. There we go. Such a big boy.